Welcome to Vision Plus and welcome back to this senior form mathematics. We are looking at how we can find the equation of a circle when we are given the center and 1 point on the circumference. Example 5 says that we are given 3 centers and 3 points of each circle. So for part A, the center is 1 and 2 and the point on the circumference is 4 and 6. To make our illustration and visualization easy, you just sketch the circle and you say the center that you are given is 1 and 2. Yeah, and the point on the circumference, put it anywhere you want, anywhere on the circumference. But me, I like putting it here. This is the point 4, 6. Now we have the center, and for us to find the equation, we need the radius. And the radius is the distance from the center to any point on the circumference R. So let's find the radius, which is now the distance between the 2 points. So the radius R, which is now the length between 2 points, is given by x squared, is given by x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. In your coordinate geometry of senior 2, go back and revise. This gives us here what is x1 and x2. This is x1, this is x2. So this is x1, this is y2, this is y1 rather. Okay, x1, y1. The ones occur together and they are different of x and y. And then here we have x2, y2. Please don't make any mistakes. So from here we substitute for x2, which is 4, minus x1, which is 1 squared, plus y2, which is 6, minus y1, which is 2 squared. This gives us here 4 minus 1 is 9, 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 squared is 9. Here we shall have 9 plus 6 minus 2 squared, 16. Yes, 9 plus 16 is 25. Therefore, radius is square root of 25, which is 5 units. After getting the radius, you know that you have the center here, A and B. So you can use the center and the radius to find the equation of a circle that we have done. So you choose either in the factorized form or the expanded form. But factorized form saves my time. Why? Because the equation is not limited to any form. You just send the equation. So you choose your format. Now from here we shall have x minus a, that is x minus a, which is 1 squared, plus y minus b, which is 2 squared, equals to r is 15, r is 5. 5 squared is 25. So this is the equation of this circle in part A. And in the same way we are going to part B. In part B I'm seeing a lot of fractions, but don't get scared. Just follow the steps and the calculator is there to solve for you the fractions. So we have center negative 3 out of 2 and 5 out of 2, and the point on the circumference, is a half and 5 out of 2. Sketch it as a guide. This is the center, which I have coordinates negative 3 out of 2 and then 5 out of 2. And then a point on the circumference, assuming it is here, but put it anywhere you want. I have a half and then 5 out of 2. So the distance between the center and the point on the circumference is the radius, which is the distance between 2 points. So radius, which is now a distance between 2 given points, is given by x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared under root. Then you substitute. This gives us here, you come and name your points. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Then you substitute. The formula says x2 minus x1. So what is x2? x2 is a half minus x1. x1 is negative 3 out of 2. but square it plus there is a noise nearby. I think there is a bus or whatever they call it is passing with people of music. So it is important for you to learn mathematics and then you venture into music. Okay, y is y2 is 5 out of 2 minus y1 is also 5 out of 2. Then we square. That means we are going to subtract a half minus negative 3 out of 2. 0.5 minus negative 1.5. I'm getting 2. I'm getting 2. 2 squared 4 plus this side will be 0. Number minus itself. Let me say a half minus negative 3 out of 2. 2 squared is 4. Yes. What is the square root of 4? 2 units. So now that we have our radius as 2 units, we can find the equation. Because we have the center here A, B, and the radius. Choose any format. I'm choosing x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals to ri squared, which we have learned. If you have not, go back and see the videos on the playlist. This means that here we shall have x minus a. A is negative 3. That changes this to plus 3 out of 2. It is negative 3 out of 2 squared plus y minus b 5 out of 2 squared equals to r squared, means 2 squared, which gives us 4. So this is the answer, and this is the equation that part B requires. After doing part B, please try with part C, and then you come back and see how I will solve it. The center is 4 out of 3. Center we have 4 out of 3 and negative 2 out of 3. And the point on the circumference is 4 out of 3 and 7 out of 3. Remember, it is a coordinate. Any point is defined by two values. Go to coordinate geometry, please. So to solve this, we sketch our circle. We put our center here, for which the coordinates are 3, 4 out of 3, and negative 2 out of 3. And then the point in the circumference, put it anywhere you want. Me, I want it here, which is 4 out of 3, 7 out of 3. Now we have the center, so we need the radius, which is the distance from the center to any point on the circumference. In that case, it is this point. So this is R. R has happened to be the distance between 2 points. Therefore, since it is a distance between 2 points, it is given by the square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. This formula gives us the analysis of the circle, but we do not have to sketch it. But it's possible for us to draw this circle accurately on the Cartesian plane. We substitute x1 is here, y1 is here. As I've chosen, x2 is there, y2 is there. I'm substituting for y2, which is 7 out of 3 minus y1. y1 is negative 2 out of 3 square plus these are values of x, please. I've made a mistake. I've substituted for values of y instead, and yet we start with the values of x. Just follow the format of the formula, but order doesn't matter anyway. But if I change the order, you will complain, and yet we are doing the same thing. So x2 is 4 out of 3 minus x1, also 4 out of 3 squared plus y2 is 7 out of 3 minus y1, which is now negative 2 out of 3 in bracket square. Then we simplify that. Here we shall have 0 plus 7 out of 3 minus negative 2 out of 3. 7 out of 3 minus negative 2 out of 3. I'm getting 3 then square, you get 9. That is, the square root of 9 is 3 units. So therefore, our radius is 3 units. So after getting the radius, use the center with coordinates A and B to find the equation of the circle. I'm using the factorized form, but you have the freedom to choose the form you want because the question is not limited. So substitute for A. X minus A is 4 over 3 square plus y minus b, but b has occurred to be negative, so it will be positive 2 out of 3 in that manner. Square equals to 9 because r squared is 3 squared, which is 9. So this is the equation that we are looking for in part C, and this is the overall solution to example 5, and we have come to the end of this subtopic of finding the equation when we are given the center and a point on the circumference.